our Valentine's Day cruise.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Yep, been a while.
Yeah, we're excited. We're
Over
getting
a
on
month
the
and a half.
Paradise. Yeah, but a long time on Paradise. So it's gonna be fun.
Yep.
Valentine's Day on the ship with my lovies.
Happy Valentine's Day, baby.
Happy Valentine's Day weekend.
Still got 2 more days, but
Yeah.
anyway,
Alrighty.
we'll be on the ship. So we'll see you on the ship. We'll bring that to you in a couple of minutes and bring you a little bit more video this time. And we're gonna take a tour of this bucket of bolts that's been having a little bit of trouble. We'll see.
Hey guys.
All right, we'll see you.
And good morning to you. Secretary your attention.
We're going to the mustard drill, then we're going to get this real party started.
Get this party started right after this. All right, we'll bring it to you.
Yeah.
And there they are.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you checking into muster station A?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. So if you're in the same cabin, I just need to scan the one barcode.
All right, because we're in the front of the ship, we go to the theater. That was totally painless. Took all of what? 1 minute?
1 minute.
1
She
minute.
said
And
she
she
did
actually
1
covered.
minute.
She actually covered a lot of
She
information
did.
in that 1
She
minute.
good. Allie's good.
She did. She was good, and she's one of the performers. So, all right, we're heading up to the Red Frog.
Let's go.
We'll see you up
if
there.
Goosey's here.
Yeah, Goosey. All right, as we make our way out onto the Lido. Oh, what's this up with these clouds? No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no. What's up with that? Ain't there supposed to be no rain today? All right. Look at this guy. He don't even see me. There he is. It's that guy right there. That guy right there. So we got the flying rats. Seagulls. Flying rats. They stole all the food off that table. Terry went and covered it up so they wouldn't steal it. But they dropped a hamburger in the pool. Even though the pool's closed.
How you doing?
going to dinner. We just left. We're like an hour and a half late. I'm leaving.
Here we go.
But we're going to dinner, and we'll bring you that menu right about
Now, Karen.
My first appetizer, roasted tomato soup. Terry got nothing. All right, Terry got salad with French dressing.
Thank you, Lord.
So Terry got salad as an appetizer and salad on top of the salad. Terry got cheesecake, and I got cheesecake. And we have a screaming kid. That's our girl right there. Gabby is our girl.
Thank you, Gabby. Oh, they look good.
Her husband's down in the engine room. So don't be trying to pick this one up. Well, after that. Thank you, girl.
You're welcome.
Here we are back on our home away from home. And so far,
Paradise.
we've had a fun time.
So far.
So anyway, so I'm getting ready to go in the casino.
I want to join in. Hi.
Oh, hi, we got this person. I don't know who that is, but anyway, so she is not going to gamble, I don't think, tonight. I don't know yet.
Gabrielle, these are good.
But Gabrielle, as you saw in the video, she makes a strong drink.
How do you two cruise it
Right this way. So we're at the United States Mart, which is right outside the casino. And Gabby takes care of us.
They're strong.
Yep, they are strong. All right, so anyway, she's gonna probably go back to the room. I'm gonna go gamble their money, and we'll see how we do. All right, I feel really lucky, I really do. Even I woke up this morning, I felt very lucky. So we'll see. And I'm lucky to have her. I'm lucky to have her, so. All right, I'll let you know how it goes. If I get a bonus, I will videotape it. As long as I don't get caught. Night night. Oh look, by the way, I shaved for y'all. Bye bye, say bye.
Cheers, bye-bye.
All right, she'll be at the pool in the morning, so.